Today, we are going to draw a super cute apple house together. It's colorful,
Yay!
magical,
Hello there.
and
Welcome
so
to my
much
sweet
fun.
home. I'm so
Grab
happy
your
to
black
see
marker
you.
and let's start drawing.
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, let's draw the stem of the apple. Now add a beautiful leaf on top. Now let's draw the big apple shape. Make it nice and round, just like a yummy apple. Amazing job! Next, draw a cute little door in the middle. This is where our tiny apple friends live. So adorable! Now let's draw 2 windows. One here and one up there. Awesome work! Now draw some flowers and grass around the house.
La da 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 dee.
Add a cute fence too. Let's add even more flowers to make the garden extra pretty. Fantastic job, little artists! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so the artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it is time to color. Let's bring out our rainbow color pens. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Bottle green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Your apple house looks bright, colorful, and magical. Awesome job today, little artist.
Hello there! Welcome to my sweet home. I'm so happy to see you. Bye for now. Time to go inside.
Keep drawing, keep coloring, and keep having fun. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, friends.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.